Hey guys, Tony here, good morning. So unfortunately, LossLess is trailing down back to trend. It did not break trend up here like I wanted to. It did rally hard these couple of days to 164-ish, like a couple of days ago. But you know, unfortunately right now, it's not really looking like LossLess wants to keep going up. I 100% see LossLess coming back down to wicking to at least trend here. So down to like 114 maybe. You know, right now things look a little salty, and I don't want to say this, but you know, LossLess does look like it might go all the way back down to 88 cents, which is around this level. You have a lot of bullish divergence. You know, you have a big support on this trend here, you know, ever since October 2nd. So if this gets broken, right, if you do break this downtrend, this bottom bullish trend here, you know, unfortunately LossLess is going back down to 88 cents. On the week, it actually looks like it's going to be closing a bear week tomorrow on Sunday. So that's definitely not something that I'm happy about. You know, it hasn't been moving the way that I wanted to. Again, I will be keeping LossLess. I think I'm down right now about 50%. I think my initial investment in LossLess was about $4 grand. Right now, that is only about, I think my position is sitting at 10K. So it really only, I mean, I'm still up on the position, but I really only did a full, like 150%, like 150%, right? Whereas up here, you know, back on when it was at highs of 2.7, you know, my full position was roughly, you know, 25K. So I have gone down about $15,000 in LossLess. You know, fortunately, I'm still up 150%, and I really like this project, but you know, it definitely taught me that, you know, next time we rally up to these previous all-time highs, which I think will happen eventually, I will sell half and then use half that to, you know, invest it somewhere else. But as of right now, you know, LossLess is trailing down. You know, I hate to say it, but if I had to take a guess right now of where we're going, you know, I'd say that we're going down to 88 cents. I'm not saying we will. I'm just saying TA, what it's showing me is that it wants to keep going down. It wants to keep trailing down. And unfortunately, I can really see that happening, you know, sometime in the next couple of days or so, right? So you are in this, you know, descending wedge, triangle, whatever you want to call it. I don't really trade patterns, but, you know, just from seeing momentum here, I mean, I think it can probably come back up and retest 136 before you see another drop, right? So I really hope I'm wrong on this one. But you know, I can see us go up to like here and then break trend and go down to like 88 cents. That's just what I see, right? I do like this project a lot, you know, and I'm definitely keeping my money in here, whether I break even or not. But you know, as far as what TA is showing me, you know, would not be surprised if you go back up to retest 134 and then drop all the way down to 88 cents. Ideally, what I would like is for this resistance to get broken, trend to get broken, and for 165 to get broken, because it's been a major resistance for LSS. And I really think that LSS is news based, so unless they have more good news to them, I think that we're going to keep trailing down, unfortunately, unless there's like a massive amount of buying power. And even right here, right, you have a 4-hour bear trigger that keeps popping up right here on the reverse MACD, and if we close in the next hour or so with that 4-hour bear trigger, I think that break under trend might happen today or tomorrow. I'm really hoping it doesn't, right? I'm really hoping I'm wrong, and I'm really hoping that it comes back up and either trades sideways up here in this pattern, in this channel, and we break to the high side. But TA right now, you know, what it's showing me is that, you know, it wants to come down to 88 cents, unfortunately. So I'll see you guys later. I always hate making unbiased videos, right? Because whether or not I hold a position in this or not, you know, I have to just tell you guys what the TA shows me. And even though my position in LSS is like 10K, and if it comes down to 88 cents, that would probably be back to my break-even price. So it would basically come back, and I would essentially have no gain on LSS, unfortunately. So really hope it goes back up. It's not looking like that though. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.